This Motion Monday, storing and moving to positions. In this video, we're going to move between two positions that we can change at will and are stored in registers on the drive that are restored on a power cycle. First, let's view each of the sequences in action. Sequence 0 is a homing sequence that uses both a home prox as well as an index pulse of the motor. Sequence 1 is the run sequence. The axis moves from one point to another at specified speeds. The position of both points are stored as register values that can be changed. Sequence 2 is a fast forward jog. Sequence 3 is a slow forward jog. Sequence 4 is a slow reverse jog. Sequence 5 is a fast reverse jog. Sequence 6 stores the current axis position as position 1. Sequence 7 stores the current axis position as position 2. If we modify these positions and run sequence 1, we can see the axis move to these new positions. Now, let's see how this is done. First, we look at the inputs. They are configured similar to previous videos. In this case, our home switch is NPN or syncing. Next is the CVM program setup. Again, the same as before. 3 VCD inputs starting with input 4 and input 2 is our go input. Now, the sequences. The home sequence is the same as before, using a home switch and index pulse. The run switch has a step to restore register values, a move to a register value, a delay once we reach position, and another move to a register value. Our jog moves are the same as previous videos on jogging. A fast jog forward, a slow jog forward, a slow jog in reverse, and a fast jog in reverse. Finally, the sequences to store positions. This consists of 2 steps. First, we get the position from a variable in the drive and store it to a register. Then we save that register to flash, so that when we restart, we can restore it. We do the same thing for the second position, except we store it to register 2. You can see here why we restored flash values to registers before we moved. This allows a power cycle to occur with no loss of stored positions. We now start our sequences to show that our values update. First, we home. Then we run, and you can see the register values are retrieved. Next, we jog negative and store a new position 1 value. Then run again. Using this method, we can programmatically change register values at will and restore these registers as positions on a power cycle. I hope you found this video useful for your application, and thanks for watching.